now calculating some measure of volatility. Let's come up with some measure of estimate of volatility, people. Okay? That's what we want to do.
Alrighty, guys, Brian here with Liberty Trading Club. We are getting our numbers together for the morning, getting our plan of action to get ready for the open. This is, again, Liberty Trading Club. What you're looking at is a 133 tick chart here, meaning every time we are trading the Dow, first and foremost, Dow Jones Industrial Average, YM on the futures market. And
one thing I can say, Andy, look at the
you're
low
listening to our main trade room
around
here.
6 a.m.
And
Look at
over on
the
the left,
6
our
a.m.
members
low.
are chatting in.
Guys, look at the 6 a.m. low and the 8 a.m. high. Yeah, so I raised that volatility estimate a little bit more. I've got 182. We're starting with about 182 today. Yeah, that's even better, Victor. All right, and here are the right now we have the reports that are done, and in a minute or so I'll give out the opening numbers. Okay, stand by in a couple of minutes for the opening numbers. These are the reports today.
We have a 15 range chart here in the middle. That's every time there's 15 ticks, 15 points, whatever you want to call it. There's a new candlestick painted. So we have two unique charts. The others are time-based, 60-minute, 15-minute, 2-minute. NYSE tick chart, which will kick off as soon as the market opens.
Resistance support is 30,847. Resistance 31,350.
Rule of thumb is to write those numbers down every single day.
Coach, we okay on posting the numbers? Everybody ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. Again, we're making our estimate of volatility at 182. And these are the numbers for this morning. Also, again, we'd like to remind you, if you're just starting out with us or been here only a few days, please get a lay of the land first. Try to get the big picture. Look at where we buy, where we sell, what are we observing during the day to determine where we trade? Look for these potential setups. Don't just jump in and take trades, especially if you have no idea. If I say, we're going to do an M trade next, M coming up, and you go, okay. And then, then you see later on we're short. You go, oh, I'll go short now. No, you were supposed to go short one tick below the middle of the M. You didn't know that. You're already giving up some profits. Or worse, you're assuming it's going to be an M when it isn't yet. So, all right. Where is your first support this morning right now? Guys, right now, support is about 30,940. Resistance is about 31,084. All right? Everybody got the numbers, right? Also, newer people. In other words, anyone here less than a couple of months. No trading for the first 6 minutes. Others can look for a short trade. Others, more experienced, look too short.
So market is about to open, guys. We are
that fails. Once you
possibly
see that
looking for a short off the open.
Top out, you can take a short trade.
More experienced people could look for two-way trades. You could look for a long here off of a retracement, since we are slightly up on our trend today. And again, as Coach said, you can be looking for a short trade off the open. If you're more experienced, what I suggest is, while you're watching us on this stream, you've missed about an hour so far of our trading. We get up, we start trading about an hour earlier. We've already had one 100-point runner for the morning. So a lot of our members can be done trading right now. 100 points, two contracts, it's $1,000.
Monday and Tuesday. Today becomes the balance day. If you're profitable today, as well as the last two, you've already made your week. Then you can lighten up for Thursday and Friday, so you make sure you finish the week with a profit. Everybody understand that?
There's your long.
Are we ready to go, gang?
If you're more experienced, you could have taken that long off a first touch rule here, gotten a few ticks out of it.
All right.
Again, we want to kind of keep our stops a little tight as the market opens.
And that means 2 good trades, 2 good ones, and you are done for the day. Mike V already has a 100-point winner. So all you need is one more trade, Mike, and you're done for the day. That's it. Do not give it back. Victor, maybe one more trade for you.
Why you keep tight stops,
Randy,
and
same with you.
We a couple seconds, we'll be open for business.
One more good trade, Randy, like a 30, 40-point winner, you're done. That's it. Don't want to see your hide around. I'm going to have some oatmeal right after we trade. Okay, we're ready for business. Open.
All right, here we go.
Business.
So again, we did say more experienced traders could short this open, light short into it. So
993 could break too.
That's again a first touch rule. So you could have taken this first touch rule long here.
If it breaks that, it looks lower.
Again, scalp trade.
Down.
The best idea this morning is let the sellers flush out for another push up. If we get a momentum cross, we will start shorting, but we're going to stay looking for long trades and let this move flush out. Our volatility number is what is our volatility number, guys? You have it right here. We have volatility number of 182. So we're going to look for a move of 182 points, one direction or the other. Most likely, I would guess it would be
Randy,
down this morning.
Your target would be about 963, Randy. Randy, your target would be 963.
So again, more experienced traders are short right now.
Randy. Good job, Victor. John can't see the charts. Reboot, John, and you'll see them.
We did have 100-point
Great job.
short this morning.
We are short with a final target of 963. There you go. You're done. Boom. Randy, take your profits and go home. 993 to 963.
That's what I love about this, being done right
How
when the
many
market
got it?
opens.
I told you, Randy, I'd give you one more trade, 30-point winner, and you're done. Now we don't want to see you. Good job, Luis.
Got a little
Victor,
support
Andy,
level here
Todd.
that we're looking for.
That's it. Yeah. You're very welcome.
Oh, there's Ryan. Hey,
Good morning.
good morning. Has been a
Anyone
good
here
morning.
less than 6 months, don't trade. Just congratulate all of our winners.
We made it 168,
And
108
6
points.
weeks from
Yeah.
now, you guys will be in there. I rewarded myself with 1 tablespoon of oatmeal.
It's making me hungry.
Hey, look at that. We are pretty darn close to the volatility number already.
Yeah.
Looks like we just did it. So now we can start looking for long trades.
Yeah, you're already home. You have to. No, but no more trading.
If we do see this cross, though, we're going to be looking short here,
Good
guys.
job.
Yeah.
So patiently wait, retracement, hook on
2 months ago, you
stochastics.
wouldn't be able to trade. You would have been a newbie that had to wait 6 minutes. Now you don't have to wait 6 minutes. You can catch these first run trades, these great trades right off the open. But for newbies, we want you to wait.
Definitely wait.
And momentum is getting ready to turn.
So what do you think we might look for, Ryan? A little first touch rule, go short.
Yep. That's what I was waiting for.
A few more minutes.
This Stokes get back
before-
up there.
before maybe- Yep.
You get a little M though, maybe in the meantime, or
What's
Grandma has
that?
been shorting all day today, right? You know that, right?
What was
I
that?
think we mentioned
so
that.
what if it breaks this low again, like on an M or something?
Selling.
Would you
Probably.
Yeah.
Yeah. At this point,
Woo!
we're trying to catch a
Does everybody
falling
know
knife.
that? Yep.
Now we could look for that M right now.
Yeah.
Look for that short. Patiently waiting for either an M to form to go
$130 an hour, not
short.
too bad.
First touch rule. There we go. I am now short. Take some quick profits. Close it out. There we go. Little
You want
scalp
trades
there.
like that, Victor, you
I'm
won't
trying
even
to
have
scalp
come
into
here.
a
That's what we
longer
said
runner
before.
here, but
Once you make your money, if you guys can get this by
There we
just
go.
taking regular course,
there you go.
I got some.
you don't have to come here.
But it was quick.
Yeah,
You know,
it's
I'm not
it's
trying to
bouncing too
sell
fast for me to
personal
jump in right now.
mentorship.
I'm not going to jump in. I'm
Matter
going
of
to wait
fact,
for the
Think
retracement.
about it. If everybody
Yep.
scheduled one,
Patiently
we'd
wait
work
for the
3
retracement.
years.
And
And you don't need to have
get a
to know how to
confirmation on the
take
first
reads
touch rule
in order
short
to make
or
money. It helped.
a
It's
little
nice.
higher
It's fun.
stochastics.
But it took me a long time before I could learn to be a tape reader. But I think everybody,
There it
let's
is.
face it, what is the key to anything in success?
So first touch rule short
There are
here.
3 keys
Are you
to
in?
success.
No, I missed it. My dad's trying to
Oh.
call me over here. He's distracting me.
Come on, Dad.
PPC, I call it.
Leave me alone.
There you go.
Yeah,
PPC,
trading's my business.
potential, practice, and coaching. Or consistency.
Potential practice and
everyone, I
coaching.
You could be the greatest fighter in the world. You should have some genetic qualities that will indicate or a marker that you have the potential for being a good trader. Not everybody can be a good trader. You do have to have discipline. You
It's
have
true.
to be willing to be coached.
I'll hold on to this
You
first
have to
touch
be
rule as long as I
open-minded.
can.
You have to be able to accept the risk.
Maybe
of
this is
the
my
market
next 100-point runner for the
trading in
morning.
zone.
Yeah.
That will give you an understanding.
So guys, this
So that's
trade
the
here,
potential
we
part of
we
it.
are scalping
And then you need
into
to
these
practice
trades,
like
looking for
mad.
longer runners. We're trying to take as little risk as possible
But
getting
not
in
just
trades.
practice throwing dice.
You never know which one's
or
going to go
dart
100
on the
points,
board.
so you try to enter ones with as little risk as possible. That might. Here's your M, Ryan.
Yeah. Yeah. If it comes back up and then comes back down.
If we can get that, I would take this M.
You have
That
to have good practice.
put a
good
sell
quality
stop under that
practice.
midpoint
Okay.
and let her fly. There we go. Take this short again and take 10 ticks out of that puppy. It's tough trading this morning.
Yeah.
Well, we did have one. We had those back to back, up and a down, up, crazy trades yesterday. Great trading day, but not a lot of days can you take 300 points on the upside and 300 points on the downside. Pretty easy, as clean as we did yesterday. Let's put it that way.
Because if you practice and repeat bad habits, that's not going to help you.
So, guys, go to libertytradingclub.com. We do start around 8 a.m. Eastern time, so an hour and a half earlier than now. We've already gotten in a couple good trades. One earlier trade was a 100-point winner. We teach you 6 very specific trade setups that allow you to have less risk getting into trades. So like a first touch rule here, you're not taking a lot of risk getting in this trade. You confirm it with a 15 range over here. And your risk is what, maybe 15 ticks, 16 ticks to get in a trade like this. So if you go to libertytradingclub.com, start a 3-day trial. We'll give you 3 days for free. We give you access to our entire members library. Hopefully you're short in this, Ryan.
I was.
So we should have been short here, right on the HMA cross. And I'm just managing my trade right now. One of these is going to be my 100-point winner.
Momentum has turned down now.
One of these will. Maybe this is the one. If not, we'll give it one more try and I'll be done for the day. All right. No lose situation. Get that thing attached to
range
mid
is
Bollinger.
41.
Okay. I'm done with that trade. So, guys, we did go short here with a first touch rule short. So we're just looking for this to run in our favor.
Yep. And then
if it breaks this low, if it breaks this low, we're gonna be going off to the races. So go ahead, Ryan. Sorry.
Right now.
I was going to say these setups are available in the members area. So if you hop in there, you can get the training about what Brian's talking about, the first touch rule and the other
The
setups.
original stop would be 968.
There it goes.
Lower that stop to 945.
I know.
All right, 945.
There's a home run. Let's go. All right. Come on, don't stop me out. Keep going. This is where I want Coach Case to do the die, you dirty dog thing. Keep me in this. All right, my stop's at 9. Out of 5. Don't hit it. If not, those are good trades. This will be my last one. I'm done. 902. Keep going. So go, guys. Go. Oh, yeah, no. Give me that. We are hitting that support number. Guys, while you're out there, we did publish the support and resistance number, a volatility number. 180-ish is the volatility number this
Lower your
morning.
stop to 930.
So now, if we want to short again, what do we want to do? We want to look for, we can lightly short retracements, and we can heavily short any move that's 180 points to the north. There we go, flat. I'll take it. That's it.
Yeah.
So you guys go to libertytradingclub.com, start your 3-day trial. You get access to our full to our trade setups, videos on how we create our bias, how we determine momentum, how we determine trend, 6 highly probable trade setups, including the first touch rule, which we just showed you on the chart now. And we'll actually give you 1 coaching session as well. And after your 3 days, if you like what we do, it's just $99 to be a member of the club. So libertytradingclub.com. And I think you only have a day or 2 left to enter for a chance to win that trading laptop. So start your trial today. Worst case scenario, you may win a trading laptop. Best case scenario, we actually might teach you how to make money trading.
Yeah, we got till July 4th or so. So, yeah, we got the weekend for the laptop. So go register for that, guys.
In a downtrend, do not do it.
Perfect. So we look for another first touch rule short here, possibly. I would confirm it with a hook on the stochastics there first.
Wait for the market to become overbought and then go back in. All right?
Patience is key.
Yeah, you're done. Yeah. No,
So we can look for another sell if the market gets overbought. Stochastics hook over. I would confirm here with the 15 range and with the 133.
Those are good stops.
Let's try
it. We should see it turning here in just a second. And that would be a good confirmation right there. Yep. Probably looking for a light short. I would have a sell stop there, probably below this 89 exponential. And there you go.
I got a little bit on that. Might chop, right?
Should still be in it, right?
I got 10 and it got me. I was in too early.
Hold on to this puppy.
Yeah.
Boom, flat. Okay. That's all right. 10's good. 10's an easy trade. Now's where we're going to wait. Just wait. Let the market do what it wants to do. Be patient. We may not take another trade. I don't know. We do average about a trade call every 27 minutes or so. There's a specific reason for that.
Yeah. So throughout the day, what's that look like? About 10 calls, 5 to 10 calls?
No, well, we're making trade calls all day long. Obviously, as a trader, what we really want to teach you is how to take max, maybe 4 or 5 trades max a day, get over 100 points in those 4 or 5 trades. And just like, the guys that are finishing up here this morning that are done trading, some of our members are done with 2 trades this morning. And so we call trades all day long because we have a lot of people out there, scalpers, swing traders, position traders, people looking for specific trade setups, the whole 9 yards. And realistically, as a professional trader, probably most professional traders' wheelhouse is 4 or 5 trades max.
Yep. 2 minute needs to catch up. Yeah, just give it a little rest.
And so again, we can call trades all day long, but realistically, 4 or 5 good trades get 100, 150 points. That's your day. I mean, with the YM, you get $5 a tick, and if you can get 150 points and do 2 contracts, that's $1,000 a day. Most people are going to be pretty happy with that.
Yeah.
Be patient.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Woo! So that first touch rule that Brian was just talking about did play out a little bit. So guys, if you're watching live, just go ahead and log on in to the members area, libertytradingclub.com. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you want. We do this every day, and we stream some other stuff. We post some other content to the YouTube channel. So if you want to check that stuff out, just subscribe. You can hit that little notification bell. It'll kind of tell you every time we post stuff. But overall, if you kind of want to learn how to trade as a side hustle or eventually be full-time pro at this is a really good shop, a really good place to be. to kind of learn how to do it right.
And that's exactly our goal, is to make people professional day traders. It's if you are disciplined enough and you stay
Looking for
positive on a
another
daily
short,
basis.
guys,
Again, you're going to have losing trades. I've had 2 losing trades this morning, outside my norm. Normally I have like 1 on average, but you minimize the losing trades and take profits on your winning trades and have something available to run and give you longer term runners. And you should be profitable on a daily basis. That's the silliest thing. We've got members in this group that haven't had a losing trading day in almost 2 years. So, as a matter of fact, we've actually got some members, a few members that have been with us since like 2000.
133 chart. Notice
15, I think.
Nice.
Some members have been around since 2015. They've gone
You're
quite
making
some
waves
time
about
without
every
losing trading days, and
6
that makes a huge difference. Too many people are looking for that home run every single time, and they put themselves in a very poor risk to reward scenario.
Yep. Well, Brian, I got into a bad trade here. I wasn't really following the rules. Well, I got the HMA, but I got 60 points on it. Sometimes you get lucky. I know I did bad, though.
Yeah, it's made a volatility move.
There you go. And people get lucky. So that's actually a really good thing to bring up here, is people get lucky, and then they get lucky on something and then think that that's the thing they're going to follow. And it shouldn't be.
Signal is getting ready.
I mean, I did a little 16 tick as the Stokes crossed low, but it wasn't.
You
I was being
long?
impatient.
Now, where would you put a
Yeah, I'm
stop
long
at?
now. I'm long 80 points. So
Right?
Wow, good deal.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
good. Well, we got sideways momentum. Trend is it's down technically, but it's kind of almost neutral. So it's not a horrible trade.
High tick read.
Should be flat now.
Yep.
And that's the biggest thing. So yesterday, before I had the technical issues, that's what I was going to talk about, is averaging your winning days.
Shorted above 9, what do you call it? 970. Anything above 970 is a short.
You don't have to make $1,000 every day, but what if one day you make $300, the next day you make $700, and one day you make $200, and then another day you make, like, I don't know, like yesterday you make $5,000. Well, that's going to average a pretty darn good daily income for most people. And so as long as you can keep your losers as small as possible, and we do have traders in this group that have an 80% win rate on their trades. Some of our trade steps in themselves, if applied appropriately, should be around about an 80% win rate. And guys, we also will give you a couple coaching sessions when you start your 3-day trial. And if you're limiting yourself to just seeing us during the stream, go ahead and start a free trial. 3 days free trial. You get to start with us at 7 a.m. Eastern, go until 4 p.m. Eastern every single day. We have class at noon, Monday through Thursday. Mondays and Wednesdays, we have class. So you can experience the entire thing that we do, coaching class, trade calling, the whole gamut. You have the videos. So for 3 days to get access to everything that we do there, I feel like it's a pretty good deal. And worst case scenario, you spend 3 days with us, and you don't have to spend the entire day. Pop in from time to time, but you spend 3 days and you learn a little bit. We're constantly teaching, and that's the worst thing that's happen is you'll learn a little bit and learn maybe in 1 or 2 new trade setups that you might be able to apply to your trading.
It'll be our final target, right? So once you go short, you're going to take plus 12.
This is a big trade for you, man.
15.
I got out a little while ago. That's still a problem for me.
Right?
If we break this high over here on the 2-minute, look for it to go to the pivot.
Yeah.
That's where good buying just came in.
I'm waiting for a spot to jump in again.
All right. Does everybody see how we get our 949 target?
But I think he's talking about shorting, Coach.
Yep. Oh, absolutely. Yeah. We're still definitely in a downtrend.
All right. So now we got to see how high this is going to go before giving us a sell signal.
I'm guessing 180-ish points.
What is our volatility? 182, right? So what's our low? Somebody tell me where they would look to go short,
74-ish.
Hey, we're about 200 now.
or
Yeah.
where is
I would
our
start looking now.
rally going to end? The low right now is 30,873. 30,873 plus what?
And this is a big one that people
Uh-oh.
really try to catch these runs,
What are
every
we
single
adding to
run,
that?
and that's not trading.
182.
If you're trying to
Okay.
catch every single run, you're doing it the wrong way.
that comes
You
out to
you pick very
31,055,
specific trade setups. If
right?
you don't have 2 trade setups you can
So
go
we're
to,
already past
let's
that,
listen to Coach.
right? So there's our upside target from the lows. So let's put that as a reference point. Market's still going up. Let it go up. Let it rally. This is great. Heading toward the pivot.
Now, like I said, we'll probably hit the pivot.
Where would your downside target be? Did everybody mark that down?
49, you said?
Mm-hmm.
See if you guys wrote down your downside target. Nope. Nope. But one person got it. See, you guys don't even write down your numbers. 30,949. Okay? Is that hard to do? 30,949. Let's write that down, please. Now, it's been a minute. What's our downside target? See how many remembered this. See the attention span.
1 whole minute.
949. Okay. So we're going to write that down as our downside target.
We do tell you to take notes.
We'll even draw a line.
I mean, realistically, guys, we're taking a lot of the guesswork of trading out for you. We're giving you trade setups. We're giving you a very well-defined checklist to determine your bias, whether you want to be long or short for the near term, and we're coaching you through the trades as the market's live. I don't know how much better that can get for a trader. So again, like I said earlier, you would look to lightly short here.
What are we watching? We're waiting for what stochastic to overbought.
2 minute.
2 minutes. Yeah, that's why I'm.
To be overbought, it's going to have to change the momentum.
It's probably going to try again up toward that pivot, maybe.
Yeah, we'll have another crazy day like we had yesterday or the day before, which is okay with me.
Right now, I have no trade on. And my other question is everyone flat? Excellent. You guys are good.
Guys, comment, ask questions. I'm just going to keep saying it. And guys, pay attention to what our members are doing.
Now,
they're following along with Coach.
We did earlier? What if we go above the daily pivot? Then we're going to start buying pullbacks. That's when I'd buy pullbacks. Because the momentum's telling us the market's going to go up. Could be wrong. You also
Do you hear that water noise in the background?
Oh, that's actually this fish tank I have.
Oh,
I'm surprised you can hear it. My cats drink all the fish water, and then it gets low, and then the filter makes a big splash.
oh,
Pretty
okay.
annoying.
Yeah. They drink the fish water.
They drank it, and then the water falls off the filter. It takes longer.
How many fish go missing from the cats?
Surprisingly, not a lot. They know how to hide, I think.
Good. Nice little snack.
Yep.
Second target would be about 42, and then you trail.
I was wondering why I have to constantly go to the bathroom. I think that's why.
Plenty of time for trade.
It's the running water.
Oh, that could be true.
Average true range is pretty high.
So yeah, I would personally, and this is where patience come in. We can't hit home runs every single time. Even though some people that got that long in, that's a pretty good home run, and if you got half of that move, you should be done for the day. You could
Yeah.
look for a light long right now just to refollow the trend. I'll do it in sim.
Yeah, I took it.
Just because trend is turning up
It's at
for
rate
us.
68. I think it'll come down.
So get my 10 ticks.
68 is new support.
There we go. That's it. I'm done. I actually forgot to switch to sim, so that was cash.
There you go.
Oh wow. You get two what is that? Two losers that were like 10 ticks each, 100 points this morning, first trade before the market opened, and a couple little 20, 30 pointers, and that's all you need for the day. And this is a point where we probably are going to see some consolidation happening. It just could not get to the pivot. So I would expect maybe we even wait for a first touch rule pullback here to go long again.
Yeah.
And the other great thing about our methodology is that our trend and rules are flexible enough to adapt to the market's conditions. Meaning that we're not set with we're going to be at an uptrend all day or in downtrend all day. We're gonna be adaptive and let the market tell us what it wants to do, which is why we're going to wait. We wait. A lot of our traders waited for this huge run up to start making decisions again. This is guessing territory. This is not guessing territory. So now we patiently wait for this pullback, probably look for a first touch rule, 16 tick rule to go long. Now, some of our traders are waiting for this 2-minute stochastics to be overbought to start selling again. So
Yep.
Again, you can apply our methodology to longs and shorts as long as you have a plan.
We're hit. Next target is 42.
Oh, they are short. There we go.
Yep.
Lower your stops.
This just might be a flag till it runs more.
I would probably not jump in if I wasn't in earlier up here or off this retracement.
Yeah.
Most likely just wait. If you get a flag, you could probably jump in. If we get a little flag here, we could probably jump in short. Probably put it. Here's the thing. I'm iffy on that just because of the moves that have already happened.
Yeah, I took 10 long. I was actually talking about the flag the other way. I was looking at the 2 minute.
No, I wouldn't do that right now. No.
Okay.
Sell stop. If you didn't already have that in under flag there,
On your short.
don't do it.
Good job. You guys are good.
Now you could probably start looking for a buy stop here. Maybe somewhere in this area.
Like a W or something. Yeah.
Yep. W, HMA cross, hook on stochastics, or maybe all three.
Yeah.
Good morning, Nick.
But this is the patience game now. We want to wait, be patient. Let the market retrace. If we're not already short, which again, some of our members are already short, so they're holding that. Good trade. Actually, in our trade room this morning, there have been no losing trades called. I could nibble along with a buy stop now, right above here.
I drew it on the line.
There you
I
go.
drew it.
Yeah, I'm in there.
And get your stop to break even, take profits on the contract, and you're good to go with it.
I'm finally starting to like the ATM, Brian. I'm finally starting to listen.
It takes a little while getting used to it, but and there you go. Good trade on your hands, man.
You see the market
Trellis
come
stop,
down
and
here
we'll stay
then it
long
went
for a
up.
little bit.
Yep. My problem with it was moving the stops in the beginning. It always felt too tight.
Yeah. Well, yeah, that's what a lot of people do. Now your stop should be right at our last point of resistance there.
Yep.
Pretty cool trade, right?
Good trade.
I'm good. I'm going to give it some space.
Give it a little
47
space.
points.
Did you take it, Lope? Did you take that short?
Go at I don't know, 77 should be your
Yeah,
stop right now.
It's about where I was. Yep.
Okay. Good deal. I like it. Squeeze it up a little bit more. We're starting to flag out here, so you might want to get it to.
Took it under that last big whip.
I'd pop it up under around 85.
Right? The support came in the market.
85.
There's a lot of
And
volume
let's see where that
at
mid Bollinger is.
31.068.
At this point,
Push the
you
market
might
up
could just
to
attach that to the
102,
mid Bollinger and call it
and
a
then
day.
failed.
That feels too far for my newbie brain.
So now you got to
And put it at 104.
All right, I'm at 100. That's right. Let's
short, right? Everybody got flat?
Let's listen to what Coach you got.
Like 42. It went to what?
Squeeze it
30,
up. We're at resistance.
36,
116 was your
35.
stop.
Yep.
116. Let it get stop you out. Call it a day.
Now,
Yep.
you can see a much bigger M here at where's the next support?
Keep
Where
going.
is this old support? 31.034, right? 35, right? Still low. See? I would not short it now. Why would I not short it though now? Even though that's an M. What would stop me from going short?
Hi, Stokes.
That was, yeah, the trend turned up.
Trend.
So all of those who are, everyone's green now, right, today?
We should have everyone green.
Exactly. Everybody's green, right?
You're flat, right?
So
I'm
no
flat.
more shorting.
I got to go, man.
It's done. You're done for the day.
You're done for the day. I got to run. Stuff on.
All right. Awesome.
Thanks, Brian.
Well, I'll review here in a minute and then show everyone the website so they can
Shorts would
kind of
be
see what
counter
they're
trend
getting
trade
themselves
now.
involved in. Thanks, Ryan. See you later.
Yeah. But now we'd need to go above the daily pivot to turn all three up. And I wouldn't go long now because all the stochastics are overbought, right? So here's where people get screwed.
Pay attention out there,
Because
guys. Listen to the head
They
coach.
revenge trade. Yep.
We're waiting here for the market to get overbought to buy again, or oversold. Sorry, oversold to buy again. It's patiently waiting here, guys. So what I'll do real quick is kind of recap
Now,
what we did this
Lope,
morning.
do
We
you
took a
see where
short
the
this
M would be
morning
now?
that
to show you
got us
where
about
it went
100
from
points
34.
before the market opened
31.034.
around 8 a.m. We took that short. And then we had a couple little trades before the open. Then we
Would be an M. again,
took
bigger one.
a light short off the open, and then some of our members got into a big long here. If you look on the 2-minute
Hard
chart,
to take
huge
when the
long,
trend's up, right?
and we've kind of patiently been waiting.
the
We
momentum
did
to
take
come
another
down
short after it bounced off resistance, and we took that
By
down
the way,
to
if you
here.
take it, the
And
target
now we're
still
just
would be
waiting for that retracement,
39.49.
and we are looking long because our trend is officially up
Except this
now.
time I'm not too sure. Let
So
me take
we'll
that
look
away
for a
before
long
I
trade somewhere in this
start
area.
Getting too tempted here. I have no targets, no stops, no nothing. Before, by the way, on this trade short, on this short trade that we took, I did have a target there. Why? I thought it might go down there. When I got stopped on the trailer, I canceled it. That's all. No big deal. 60-minute is up now. We need a close to go to do any shorts now, okay? New rule or new setup. We need a close below 30,962. 30,962. The market needs to close below.
Now we're just waiting for a hookup on the stochastics to go long here, guys.
On a bar, like a 2-minute bar. All right? Then you can have fun shorting it.
Basically, we're looking for the stochastics to start hooking up here. Be patient.
Otherwise, we're still up 100. Yeah, you could do that, Denny. But I'm done for the morning. So aren't you done? By now, aren't you done? We had 2 great winners.
We want to do a
We came in
confirmation
late.
entry here. So we want to put probably a buy stop in up here, if just to confirm that it
If you
does
came
want
in
to bounce
late,
off that
Don't
89.
trade.
If it doesn't, you don't get hit. You have no harm, no foul. You're not in a trade.
Yeah. So guess what? Start tomorrow. We had
Get the hook up on a
We had a
stochastics
monster
Then we
110
can-
point winner,
before the market
and then a
opens.
70-point winner, and then just this short that we took before that worked for
All right, guys.
24
So
points.
if you go to libertytradingclub.com,
So 3
you
trades.
sign up for your 3-day trial. We
I-
will
in good conscience, I
give you
can't
access
tell
to
you
our
start
training
trading now
videos,
while
which will show
everybody else is
you
sitting back.
how we
Just
define
guess
our
what?
bias, momentum,
What do you
trend.
think's gonna happen at 2 o'clock?
And let me
I'm gonna
mute
be
Coach
trying to
here.
help you come back from being ready.
We'll help you define your bias trend, whether you want to be long or short for the near term. And we have 6 trade setups that you actually get to start learning when you do start your trial. So if you just go to libertytradingclub.com and you can go into our main training and resource area, you're going to get access to, it logged me out already. It's all right. You're going to get access to our, let me go ahead and get back in real quick. So we'll give you access to our training videos. You get access to the class schedule. You get access to our actual class. So we'll get logged in here. So we'll let you, during the 3 days you're with us, you can go to class. We have class at noon, Monday through Thursday. We have a class Monday and Wednesday evenings at 8 p.m. Eastern. And then we start trade calling around 8 a.m. every morning, going until 4 p.m. We take a break around 1. So when you jump in, you're going to have access to your trading room. You'll have access to a course room link. We give you a daily trade checklist. We have a link to our daily numbers that we post, our volatility numbers, support and resistance. We do have things checked for. So we have a checklist, follow the checklist, and then we have 6 trade setups that allow you to jump into trades without taking a lot of risk. So the idea here is that we take little risk getting into trades, and if we make a little reward, great. If we lose a little, great. But we are looking for what we call a runner. So we're looking for trades that are going to go more than 50 points. You never know which trade that will be. So we have the trade setups to help us get in with little risk. That's the biggest thing that people will do wrong, is they put themselves in a set risk to reward ratio. Well, no, trading is about minimizing risk always. And you don't know what your reward's going to be. So you have to take a shot at the trade. And so that's what we teach. It's a little different methodology, but again, we have an 80% win rate just for the trades called in the room. So, and then we help you if you want to use NinjaTrader. We also give you access to funding. So if you want an account, 25,000, 200,000, 300,000, we have people that can help you get access to trading money to trade with. And then we teach you how to enter and manage trades. So you get all of that on your trial. Plus, you get to come to our live trade room, and you're allowed to come to class. And we'll give you a coaching session, just answering questions. After you've gone through these videos, we'll give you a coaching session answering questions. All right, guys. Thanks. Go to libertytradingclub.com. sign up for your trial, and we'll let Coach send us off here this morning.
This trade,
3-day trial. After your 3 days, it's just
31,
$99 to be a member of the
68.
group.
the short right in here. That was it.
Thanks. Have a great day. Happy trading. We will be streaming our class
And,
at
and you
noon
take
today.
The first touch rule there. Yeah. Here's a W. Here, guys, you can go long right now. If you want to go long right now, scale into 31071. 31071 long. All right.